the Orderlands are coming through, and it's 1914 JIK, Jerome Ingram Fleet. Again, these do not have a transmission in them, so if he decides he wants to go in reverse, why, he just starts pushing levers, and all of a sudden this thing starts going the other way. There, look at that. No transmission, he's just changed the motion. He got her warmed up good. He's put a lot of hours on this machine in the last 5 or 6 years. He helps us a lot at the show. He's running the sawmill, he's running the threshing machine. He's doing all kinds of things for it. I've seen this tractor. At 12 o'clock, by the way, we're going to have a steam whistle, and all these guys are going to blow their whistles off. They'll be a little farther away, so they won't be so deafening, but they all have a different pitch, different note on the scale. This is a Buffalo Pip steamroller that was donated to our club about 4 or 5 years ago. This was used to flatten out the roads during construction. We used it to flatten out our roads after all the steamers have kind of put up the, tore up the gravel on the road or whatever. So, pretty rare machine, and it came originally from Astoria. That thing weighs 20-some thousand pounds, and it's donated by Jim Smith. I think Peter Adams, I believe, is on the wheel today in helper. Takes a couple people to just keep this thing fired and keep it rolling and get it turned around the corner. Basically, you got those chains on the side that are helping steer that thing. Little 320 John Deere, boy, one of the very, very early ones here. Again, you see an all green John Deere tractor. Ray Riggles out of Cedro Woolley, and he just happened on this tractor while he was taking a joyride around March's Point. And you know, that's how we find this stuff. We see the front end of something sticking out of a barn, or see the back end of it behind the shed or whatever. We just stop and we turn around, we go back. Okay, so this is the 1913 Gar Scott, another one of the, all right, we're going to blow these whistles, so let's cover our ears, because he's got like 5 or 6 whistles. I believe that's where the expression "toot your own horn" came from, I believe. And boy, these guys got 4 or 5 horns on here, and the Gar Scott Company, this is clear back in 1836 to 39. This is taken over by Rumley. But if you notice on the side up there on the roof, it says 25-75. So look at the variance between 25 horsepower on the drawbar, but 75 horsepower on the belt pulley. And that's what these were primarily used for, was the belt pulley. Little John Deere Lynden crawler, these were adapted over in Yakima, and so if you got your hands on a Neil Linderman, you got something kind of be proud of. One crawler on this little cage there. I think the son there is driving the one in front, right? And daughter behind on the little fork. These children have all been through the driver's safety training class. They have their armband, and that's why they're driving. Underage